How to lock apps on Redmi 14C. Okay, so let's get started. Follow the step. You can go to the setting menu and then you can tap on app setting, and next you can tap on manage apps, and you can see the app lock option. Tap on it and you just tap on the turn on, and in the first way you have to make the pattern like this, and for the example I just want to make like this, and tap snake, and here I just wanna tap on not now, and you can setting what do you want to make lock apps. And for example I just wanted to make locks apps for only WhatsApp apps, and the finish you can tap on user app locks, and in this option you can verify your fingerprint. When the viewer you have enable your fingerprint option, and here I just wanna tap cancel like this. Okay, let's try to open the WhatsApp. Okay, just like this. We need to draw your pattern you make before to open the WhatsApp apps like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.